Hi. Oh my God. Here na sa White African Lion. I believe I can fly. Welcome to Cebu Safari! Hey besties, good morning! Tara guys, join us as we are about to explore Cebu Safari for the first time. Let's go! Actually guys, nandito na kami. I'm with my family. Hello!
Hi!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to me, son!
Tara guys, tara, punta na tayo sa loob. Outfit check guys. Ayan, outfit check tayo. Outfit check, twinning! Let's... Hi! I'm so excited to explore Cebu Safari. Twinning! Let's go! So, ito yung makikita niyo outside. Ayan. So, open pala yung Cebu Safari 8:30 AM until 5 PM. So, remember guys, upon entrance pala guys, they inspect pala your bag. So, bawal talaga yung foods and drinks except water. Yung water is pwede daw. Diyan tayo mag-purchase ng tickets. Then, meron pala silang souvenir shop dyan. So, right now, mag-CR muna kami. Para tuloy-tuloy na yung gala natin. Hello! Ay, tapos na kaming mag-CR break guys, and right now is bibili na kami ng ticket. And by the way guys, yung ticket pala dito, regular ticket if weekdays is 1,100 pesos, pero if weekend is 1,300 pesos. So includes na yan access to the park and all animal exhibits, interactions, tapos yung Michelle's Garden, Bird Show, African Savannah, and White Lion Safari. So meron yung mga package A, package B. Yan, pero pwede din yung regular ticket lang. And actually guys, meron din silang ATV, 800 pesos. Tapos, giant swing, double, sama kayo 1,000 pesos. If solo, 650. So, since it's Saturday ngayon guys, weekend, so 1,300 pesos per person yung babayaran namin for the regular ticket. Let's go! Duha ka package A, tapos kani nga rides.
Skybike din. Okay rin lang ating bang, no?
Oo. Then, tulo ka regular.
Team rides para ni ma'am, no?
Oo, ang duha.
Then, tulo ka regular. Wala may senior.
Wala.
So, duha ka package A, Skybike and Zip Coaster. Then, tulo ka regular. 7,300, ma'am.
Terms. Oo.
So, dili naman ni upgrade out ha. Heights, ma'am, no? Kaya among ticket is non-refundable.
Di bira na sila, miss. Sila na ibala na.
Then, ako lang i-recommend mga iwan na lang adventure rides. Basig mo ulan.
Okay.
Then, cancel. Ticket for the entrance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one ticket for the activities. I-keep lang ni siya, ha?
Okay.
Wala siyang pangitaan sa area.
Okay, thank you. Our tickets are here na, guys. Hi! Thank you! And guys, sasakay pala tayo nito. Let's go! Morning! Hello! Yay! Let's go guys! So si Papa at si Chandri sasakay ng dalawang rides kasi package A yung kinuha nila.
Ang inyo wala din.
Wala. So yung sasakyan nila is Skybike at saka Zip Coaster. Good luck! Guys, ni under na mi. Char. Let's go! First drop off, currently here at base camp guys. Okay guys, so if mag-adventure na kayo guys, doon kayo Ayan.
Palit mo ka.
Doon para may mag-pick up daw sa inyo. Pero, yung una pala namin gagawin is doon sa birds. Viewing ng birds. Let's go! Good morning, birds. Where are they? Wala! Ka-cute! Ka-cute! Hi! Hello, bird. What's your name? Cutie! You're so cute! Ay, mo din yung pangan. Skip makers, crown pigeon. Lifespan 20 to 25 years. Dito pala sa birds something guys is may nakalagay doon na bawal daw yung mga jewelry, something like that. Kasi baka i-ana sa langgam, baka iganon sa bird. Bird feeding, 60 pesos. 50 pesos pala guys.
Ay, ipadolang.
Bird feeding. Oh, cute.
Ay, ma'am. Mo vlog bakwad na gamay sa landong, ma'am.
Wala, didaghan sa mo yan.
Okay, ita na, ma'am.
Nagilok sa inyo.
Laka ikaw daw, lakaw.
Ano pa lang siya, ma'am? Pwede ka dito, ma'am, eh. Sa landong lang, ma'am. Landong, ma'am. Okay,
Oh my
ita na, ma'am.
Yung picture yung
Okay, ita na, ma'am.
ugly.
Ita na, ma'am.
Welcome to Excuse me, bird! Bird, excuse me, bird! Hi, guys! Ayan siya. Kanina pa siya dyan.
Di ka.
Ay, gilok! Hey, besties, while waiting nila Chandre at Papa, actually guys, ano sila, nag-adventure na sila ngayon. Sumakay na ng skybike tsaka yung zip coaster. And sadly guys, bawal kaming sumama sa kanila kasi sila lang dalawa yung nag-avail ng ganung package. So, right now, we are here lang sa restaurant nila. Ayan. And by the way guys, pwede pala kayong mag-avail ng pictures nila guys for print bitaw, for hard copy. 300 pesos daw per picture. And nag-avail sila, mama, yung picture nila ni Papa at saka yung family picture namin. Ayan. So cute! Ayan. Ito siya. 300 pesos. Post picture nila, mama at saka ni Papa. Ito. Ayan. So 300 pesos. Medyo mahal. Yeah, medyo mahal guys. Sayang guys, no, bawal kaming sumama sa kanila nilang Chandre at saka ni Papa. Yung sa mga adventure bitaw, yung rides, wala silang audience guys, wala silang audience, sayang. So ito yung forma ng restaurant nila guys. Ayan. Ayan, so dyan kayo bibili lang ng foods or drinks. Hey besties, it's currently 11:58 and finally nandito na sila Papa and Chandre, kagagaling sa skybike at saka zip coaster. Right now, kakain na kami guys. Our food, chicken barbecue, ayan, with iced tea and soup. So eto pala guys, set na siya, 280 pesos. Kay Papa, bangus, pork belly, kang mama, chicken inasal, and then barbecue. That's it, everyone. Finally guys, tapos na kaming kumain and right now, nagantay kami for another ride going na sa mga wild animals. Rar, rar, rar. Then guys, while waiting for our ride is mag-interview tayo kay Chandre and Papa kung ano yung experience nila. Experience ng skybike at saka zip coaster. How was your experience, Chandre?
Okay ra. Hindot. It was nice.
And then, yun lang. And sa kanya kasi guys, goal talaga niya sumakay ng zipline. Kaya ngayon, nagsisi siya kung bakit zip coaster yung pinili niya instead of the zipline. Yan lang. Si Papa.
Oh,
so amazing and scary riding the skyline. Yeah.
Ayun. Sana all. We're here na sa White African Lion. The lifespan niya is 15 to 25 years. Let's go! And guys, ayun! Let's go! Tayo na yung i-cage, guys. Let's go! Wow!
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving. Secure your hold on the grab bars. Avoid using flash photography. Lastly, please don't try to extend your fingers outside the truck. Inside, we have 3 white lions, namely Max, Jack, and Kokoy. They were bred and raised in captivity in France. They are all male, siblings, and 9 years old. They have 1.2 hectares of area where they can freely roam around during the night. They can rest
Nocturnal pala sila, guys.
for about 16 to 20 hours in a day.
Nocturnal pala sila, guys. Nighttime is
During
their
night safari tour, they
hunting
are
time.
active.
Kuya pa. Hi! Chilling like a boss.
For their diet, we provide 5 to 8 kilos of dressed chicken or beef per lion per day. They can live up to 12 to 15 years in the wild and brighter than humans, their night vision.
Kuya.
So kita jud sila ini gabi eh.
Kita sila bukwak.
Yeah, no need ng flashlight, no need nagpasiga dira. Hayag pa na sayag ilang mata.
Wow. Pila ka book lions din?
7 in total, but lions are territorial, so we cannot put them all together. We have another 2 white lions from Germany and 2 African lions. Later, after African savanna, you can see the African lion. Mga dark to sila color.
Bye,
For your
lion!
next stop, will be
Bye.
camel, area, and birds of the world. Birds of the world, we have there our flamingos. Yes,
Uy,
only
flamingo.
lions are here. You have to ride another tram outside, going to camel area.
Tapos na kami doon sa White Lion. So apparently guys, tulog sila. Kasi nocturnal daw sila. So suggestion pala guys, if you will be going here sa Cebu Safari, siguro unahin nyo yung White Lion para makita nyo yung lion talaga na gising. Again guys, sa White Lion suggestion. If you want to see White Lion na hindi natutulog, siguro mga 9 AM or 9:30, ayan, gising pa daw sila. So now, off to the next. Okay guys, we're here again. Off to the next sa camel. Most likely, yung lifespan niya is 35 to 40 years. Tingnan nyo guys, the ham stores up to 80 pounds of fat, which a camel can break down into a water and energy. So yung hams niya, may purpose talaga, no? It can break down into water and energy. Amazing. Guys, so dito, camel, ayan, dito daw makikita nyo yung flamingo. No food and drinks beyond this point. Flamingo. Parang ano siya guys, hindi pa siya fully pink. I don't know, comment down below. Parang for me, parang nag-change pala yung kulay nila guys. No? I believe I can fly. Wow! Nice. Off to the next. Dito naman guys is birds. Bird caution, bird poop may fall anytime and anywhere while inside the aviary. Okay. Scarlet Ibis. Ayan. Cute color, guys. Ayan, Guys, one thing na nagustuhan namin dito or na-observe, no? For example, sa birds, guys, they are really free talaga. Para silang nasa natural, natural forest or parang ganun. As in, free lang talaga sila. As in, hindi sila na-stress, something like that. Which is amazing. Same dun sa lion. Dito na tayo sa mga fish. Wow! Nice. Amazing. So relaxing sa mata as in. Ito pa guys, Ayan. Guys, see our break. Hands up, everybody. Hey besties, ayan, nandito na kami sa African Savannah. Punta na tayo sa Sub-Saharan Africa. Charot. Yeah, the African Savannah. Hello. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Hey.
Horn is what we call a gemsbok or oryx gazelle. Both males and females have horns, and they use it as a defensive weapon to protect themselves against predators. Another fun fact about the oryx is that they can survive without drinking water for several months or even a year due to their low metabolism. So they just get the moisture from the plants.
Artistahin, no?
Oh my God. Hi. Oh. Hello.
Female of a greater kudu, no horns. And also their horns will grow up to 72 inches long and will twist once every 2 years. And those with dark brown skin are what we call a water buck. So water buck can be found in sub-Saharan Africa, and they have a strong association with water, helping them evade predators like cheetahs, hyenas, lions, and other African wild dogs. They use the water to escape and defend themselves against them. The use of white markings on their face are what we call a blessed buck. So blessed buck named after the Dutch term for place, referring to the white markings on their faces. And also the white markings on their face serves as their protection from the heat of the sun. Both males and females have ring horns, with females having slightly slimmer than the male horns.
We done na guys sa African Savannah. So right now, pupunta na kami sa mga crocodile something. Do not touch your eyes, mouth, and mouth. Yan. So, dito guys, for crocodile. So, bakuit. Ayan guys, saltwater crocodile. So, lifespan niya 70 to 80 years. Wow. Distribution, Eastern India, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia. Saltwater crocodile are the largest living reptile, and they have the greatest bite pressure of any animal in the world. Oh my God.
We have crocodile feeding monster, 100 pesos per slice.
Oh!
For experience po.
100. Ayan guys. Ayan. So si Chandra is mag-try siya ng crocodile feeding. Guys, trivia of the day. Pag naka-open yung mouth nila is meaning daw nag-release sila ng heat sa kanilang katawan. Okay guys, apparently walang African lion na nagpapakita sa amin ngayon. So sad. Siguro off to the next na kami sa giraffe, tsaka yung mga hyenas daw. Meron tayong map. So right now guys, nandito tayo sa cheetah. Yung lifespan pala niya is 18 to 20 years. Ayan. Let's go! Ayan! So again, do not tap the glass. Kasi animals in this area are easily startled. Ito na, oy! Hello!
Ay, duwa ka ba? Naglambing.
Dito na siya. Hello! Ayan guys, we're here na sa giraffe. 20 to 25 years yung lifespan niya guys. Giraffes only sleep around 20 minutes or less per day. Staying awake most of the time allows them to be constantly on alert for predators. They usually get their sleep in quick power naps that last just a couple of minutes. Wow. Uganda, Kenya. More giraffe here, guys. Wow. Cutie. Meron din tayong hyena, strip hyena. 20 to 25 years din yung lifespan. And guys, yung hyena. Pero, I don't know if you guys can see it. Ayan siya, hyena. Parang isa pa lang yung hyena ngayon dito. Ayan siya. So, natutulog siya right now. Hey besties, it's currently 2:54 right now guys. And so far, parang naikot naman namin lahat. And right now, we are back here again sa base camp kung saan kami nag-lunch kanina. Actually guys, marami palang restaurant dito. May base camp, tapos outpost. Outpost is parang mga American food. Tapos dito sa base camp guys is mga Filipino foods. So sa outpost is hindi namin na-try. And right now, we are just here guys, chilling. Guys, ayan, bumili ulit sila papa ng pictures. Picture namin solo doon sa yung parang may bird. Ayan siya. Cutie. And eto naman is yung nag-skybike si father. Ayan. More picture. Another one. The skybike kay father. Then for kay Yang naman ito yung sa ano, sa bird. And then kay Chandray doon sa skybike. So, right now guys, let's do a quick review. Tanungin natin sila kung ano yung best part para sa kanila dito sa safari or your best part sa trip na to. Okay. Or favorite nila. Or basta kung ano yung sasabihin nila. Okay. Start from Yang. Okay, go.
The white lion. Because it's my first time seeing those animals. So, yeah. More to guys.
Okay, guys. Okay. Si father naman. Ayo.
Ay, hello.
Ay, go.
Unsa man?
Best part of the trip.
Sky bike.
Skybike.
Yes.
Bakit?
It was scary.
Scary. Because it's scary. Okay. Yun lang.
Na sana malula gani sa ipaw.
Nakakalula. Scary at nakakalula. Okay. Next, si mother.
Yes, hello. Hello, Mike. Hello, Mike test. Hello, Mike test. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Go for what? Go for what?
What is the best part of the trip?
The best of the best.
Or your favorite part of the trip?
Crocodile watching and the giraffe.
Why?
There are plenty of crocodiles.
And there are plenty of...
And very big. And very... Nakakatakot. Parang... Parang si Lalay at si Lulong. At yung dalawang giraffe naman, ay very sweet, cute, charming, very tall. Very tall.
And handsome.
That's all?
That's all.
Okay. Thank you for your cooperation, guys. Char. Ikaw, wala kay take to. Okay na to? Okay na to. So, Chandre, who is so sad right now kasi hindi siya makasakay ng zipline ngayon.
Parang mong rider nagduka.
Wala man. Sige, bye. Okay, sa akin naman guys, best part or yung favorite part ko sa trip na to is yung siguro giraffe or yung sa zebra. Kasi guys, yung giraffe guys, first time ko talagang makakita ng giraffe at saka zebra. And yung giraffe, sobrang ganda niya guys. As in, parang one of my favorite animal na siya. Char! Char! Tapos yung zebra guys, ang cute din. Sana pwedeng iuwi sa bahay, Char. And then, what else pa? Basta guys, come visit here na lang sa Cebu Safari and you will experience all of those. And by the way guys, meron palang sabi nila, one of the stops here pala guys, sabi nila may tatlong animals daw na coming. Rhino, elephant, tapos hippopotamus daw. Yan yung parang new animal nila dito sa Cebu Safari. Soon, within this year daw. Yeah, for me, yung giraffe talaga, tsaka zebra. Yung lion sana, pero yun nga lang, natulog lang sila. Sad, we didn't experience them seeing na gumising. So right now guys, nag-chill lang kami dito kasi gipangduka ang mga tao. And maybe after this one is pupunta kami sa Lantaw para kakain ng halo-halo kasi sobrang init. Para for refreshment lang sa katawan. Charot. So yun guys, see you later! Now back here at the main entrance. Ayan, we're back na here sa main entrance. So, ayan guys, I think I will end na my vlog here. Again, thank you guys so much for joining us for our quick mini trip here in Cebu Safari. If you guys want to check it out here, it is located pala sa Carmen, Cebu. So, nasa northern part siya ng Cebu, guys. Kayo mag-walk-in lang dito or you can also book, guys, online via Klook app. Ayan, pwede kayo sa Klook. Meron naman yan. So, I think I'll end na my video, guys. And thank you again for joining us. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!